We'll be doing a gluten-free dessert recipe, which is how to make a gluten-free chocolate cake. In this recipe, the just give it another sieve. We need to mix about together. So our batter is ready. This is the dripping batter consistency that we need to reach. We've mixed together the wet and dry ingredients. Now this is a pre-greased cake baking tin. I'm going to pour the batter in this. We'll just give it a few quick taps and we'll put it in the oven for about 40 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. This is what your cake will look like. These are delicious, guilt-free, gluten-free, millet-based cakes, and You can bake them for any occasion without feeling a twinge of guilt about it. So do give it a try next time you have something special happening, and have it with whatever sides of choice. You can even, frost this cake with whatever frosting you have, and it will taste delicious.